Let's plan for the month of April in my Erin Condren A5 Daily Duo. Hello planner friends, my name is Sarah and I love sharing tips and tricks to help you stay optimized and organized and have fun at the same time. You heard it, today we are planning for the month of April in my daily duo. I'm going to show you my monthly spread, my dashboards, which to this day are still not filled out because March has been crazy, but I'm really excited. This is probably my favorite spread I have ever done in the whole entire world. I don't know what it is. I love it so much. Before getting started, I want to hear your hot take on using multiple planners. I'm gonna bring it up during the video. We're gonna chat a little bit about that, but let me know. What do you think about using multiple planners? Is it good? Is it bad? Well, jump in the comments and hear me out. Any product that I use will be linked down below. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Today I'll be using this journaling kit by Hello Petite Paper to decorate my A5 monthly spread. There's different finishes like washi and matte. So I'm excited to decorate this month. Recently, I've been loving using journaling kits to plan my month, especially in this A5 planner, because I feel like they allow me to be more creative and they add so much beautiful decor to my monthly spread. So I've been loving it, and actually this spread is probably one of my favorites that I have ever done on my channel. I don't know what it was about this that it just matched so well with my Erin Condren planner. It just felt right, while I was planning. Right now I'm using these washi finish stickers to cover up the days that I won't be using, and I really played around with it, cut them up and arranged them differently so they would look so beautiful, and just covered up the date dots. I don't need those dates. I don't need them right in front of me. So I just wanted it to look beautiful, kind of just putting washi over the dates you're not using. I am going in with my sticker cutter to remove the edge. I place these stickers as they feel right. I pull in older stickers using my reusable sticker book. I do what I can, because when you use a journaling kit, you probably don't have all of the elements you need for planning, so I need to pull in different things. I don't like using just black ink every time for my monthly spread, so I pull in different colored pens. Right now I'm using this powder blue, and I loved these little bunny stickers. They're a rose gold foil, and they just look so cute. I just thought they would look great on my monthly spread. They're a little big for my liking. They're in your face for the size, but honestly, it just kind of worked out. I got these by Sticker Girl in their closing sale, because they're closing down their shop, and I'm so glad I did, because I was almost not gonna get them. I'm not a big Easter decorator, but I thought, why not? These look so adorable. I really liked how it turned out. While I'm planning and doing this, I really wanted to talk about a topic that came to me actually when I was watching a video by Rachel in Theory. Definitely watch it. She was talking about the hot takes in the planner community, and a big hot take that popped up is planner hopping. So I really wanted to get your ideas. What do you think about planner hopping? Is it something that you wish you didn't see too much of? Is it something that you enjoy? And I really wanted to share my point of view, because I don't consider myself a planner hopper as such. I'm not someone who plans in one planner one week and then in a different one the other. What I do is I use a ton of different planners for different things, and there is a little bit of duplication, which can be a little bit like a time drain because you're duplicating certain things. But then also, like, I love planning. Like, it's one of the things that mostly relaxes me. So having different canvases for me is really great. It's something I really enjoy. So I love having my A5 planner for just like tracking certain things, for daily planning. And then my monthly planner is like where I have my dashboards, and I have a work planner, and I have a pre-planner and things like that. They all serve a different purpose, and they all allow me to just like use my stickers and plan in different places. So that is why I use different planners. And just look at this, like, you can really go all out and use your stickers in so many ways, and it's like my favorite thing to do. So let me know in the comments, like, what is your take on planner hopping? Is it something you do? Is it something that like annoys you a little bit? You know what? You come and say it. I don't mind. Like, I would love to hear your point of view, because I know that sometimes I don't like to say that I'm a planner influencer, but kind of am. I'm here in the YouTube creative space for planners, and I kind of bring up a lot of planners, and that may not seem realistic to some people. And honestly, it wasn't realistic to me before. Like, I wasn't someone who was using multiple planners. I really had to like choose my planner for the year, and no matter how much like I wanted to use multiple planners, my budget would not allow me to buy so many of them. Now I'm more blessed. Sometimes I do get products for free, and that is a huge blessing. My lifestyle has allowed me to purchase more, and my biggest blessing is having left my corporate job where I couldn't even use a planner, and now I get to plan even during the day. So that's my hot take. Let me know yours. Now we're gonna step over here and decorate my dashboards. Even though I have dashboards in my other monthly planner, I really love generating dashboards for anywhere where I have the space to do it, basically. In this page particularly, this is not a page that I always know what to do with. I do struggle sometimes. I love decorating it, but I don't always know what to do with it. So sometimes I'll just go in and create a brain dump page, which I did for March. Sometimes I'll create a list, a check-in, or anything like that. So right now it is beautifully decorated. I found a way to make the stickers work, and look at that. That is so gorgeous. These florals are 10 out of 10 chef's kiss. The Hello Petit Paper journaling kits, like, there's one specific page where you can get like this film strip type of thing, and if you know what to do with this, let me know. I've never really known what it's for, or maybe it doesn't have a purpose. I've never really seen anybody using it. But as for me, I love having it as kind of a checklist. So what I do is I have some icon stickers, and I place them in between each box, and I just think they just look so adorable whenever I'm using it. And these icon stickers, I am running low, and I am terrified because they're my favorite icon stickers, and a lot of shops that I like used and loved throughout the years and have been loving since like almost a decade ago, they're closing down, and that makes me so sad. So Lexi Kylie Designs closed down, and it was like my favorite icon sticker shop for these minimal icons. So if you have any recommendations, let me know. One other thing that I love doing is playing with the pen tips. So I use like a marker for my heading, and then when it comes to like adding a bold header or a bold category, something like that, I use like a 7-tip pen, and then I go in with a 5-tip to like write the body, if that makes any sense. So I love playing with pen tips in that sense, making sure that I'm doing different things. Like when you're typing, you bold certain things. That's what I do with my 7 tips, and I love it so much. So yeah, that's what I did in that page this month. It's just kind of like a task tracker for things that I'm going to be doing. And then this is like my setup for my dashboard. I made a little oopsie. So of course you can always use a sticker to cover up any oopsies, right? In this dashboard, I write down some thoughts for the month and then my word of the month or focus. It really helps me to have a focus, to have this word that guides my month. It's kind of that like compass that tells me what to do so I'm not all over the place. That is what I'm doing. I don't have my goals set yet. I'm running a little behind on that. I also don't have all of the events for April. I hope it'll be a lot. It feels like summer here in Texas, so I'll be doing a lot of water sports and things. So I can't really fill this out just yet, but I love the setup, how it looks just like that. And this is my monthly. I still have to fill out a few things. And that was my setup for April. I do have another planner and I'm probably gonna post that soon as well. My 7x9 plan with me video. So definitely stay tuned for that. I just want to say thank you so much for being here. I hope you have an awesome April. I hope you achieve your goals. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up so I know that you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more planning tips and tricks and hit the bell for notifications. Watch this video next.